Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. We use about complex number. Cosine C, that is about e to the power of ic plus e to the power of negative ic in here over number 2. And now we have cosine of a minus b. Now we need to change c into a minus b. Next, this one we can separate them in here. That's about e to the power of ia and e to the power of negative ib. Now negative, we change the sign of this one. So we have b minus a. So now we have e to the power of ib and e to the power of negative ia. So we have the second formula in here. That is about Euler's identity. So the formula of this one, that should be like this. Now we have the negative, we can go in here. So for e to the power of i8, we transform into this one. So we have cosine a plus I sine 8. This one we transform into this one. So we have cosine negative b plus I sine of negative b. Now we do similar for the second one. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine of negative s equal to cosine s. Sine of negative s equals to negative sine s. So cosine negative b, we have cosine b. So this one, we have negative I sine b. This one we have cosine 8. This one we have negative I sine 8. Now we need to expand. So this one we have cosine a cosine b minus I sine a cosine b minus I sine b cosine a. Next, we have I negative. Oh, sorry, this one is about positive. So this one we have negative I square sine a sine b. Now we need to expand this one too. So we have cosine b cosine 8. The next one we have negative I sine a cosine b. The next one we have I sine b cosine 8. And the next one negative I square sine a sine b. So we know that I square that is about negative number 1. So this one we have negative number 1, and this one we have negative number 1. So negative, negative, we have positive. Similar for the second one. Next, I sine A cosine B, negative I sine A cosine B, we cancel. This one and this one we cancel. And now, this one plus this one, we have 2 cosine A cosine B. Similar for the last one. And now we divide by 2. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.